In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're trading higher today. Yen futures trading higher for a second session. Today we're looking at the futures market trading up to a 7 session or 1.5 week high on the heels of 2 strong days coming off the recent lows. Now, driving factors, one of the primary drivers appears to be the continued reaction to the election that took place in Japan. That's having a significant impact as far as the potential shift in policy moving forward, at least the perception. And that seems to be the primary driver as to why the yen continues to realize some relative strength here for a second day, particularly when the other major FX futures markets are having some weakness today or demonstrating some weakness. The yen continues to move higher. So that appears to be the primary driver. Now, we did have some weaker data here in the U.S., retail sales coming in below expectations. That could also be supporting some of the price action in the yen, but we are seeing, like I mentioned, some of the other major FX futures markets lower on the session. So the yen continues to find some strength here. Now, when you look at the price action and the trends recently, the yen is coming off of a 6 session selling pressure, as we did see 6 consecutive lower closes before these 2 days of strength. So we traded down to about a 2-week low, I believe, before coming off these recent lows. And so some higher price action here, negating some of that selling pressure that the yen had experienced for the better part of a week. And looking at the other major FX futures markets, the euro and the British pound lower on the session, the yen having the strongest day and showing the most relative strength, as the Canadian dollar is actually stronger as well. But we're seeing the British pound, the euro, the Australian dollar all lower on the session. So a mixed day. Yen maintaining upward momentum, though, and trading higher for a second day.